Are we going to bake a lousy cake? Nine. Let's make sticky mud cake!
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
So today, when this video is released, it is Sticky Mud Cake Day at Kladdkakans dag. And I have with me, comma 6, Karin. And for those of you who don't know the reference, please, we're gonna bake a cake and we hope that it's gonna be delicious.
It will be delicious. Ready?
Set!
Bake!
Why don't you fill me up?
Buttercup, baby, just let me down. I'm buttering the pan so we can sprinkle some breadcrumbs on it. And then we put a baking sheet in the pan so the cake won't stick to the pan.
There are many ways that you can do this. We're gonna do a pretty basic version of it, and we're gonna tell you all the ingredients on the way, but we do base it on a recipe. Now, one of the most important things when you bake is that you have a förkläde. Make it pretty.
We are measuring up the butter because we need 100 grams of butter.
What is 100 grams in Swedish?
100 gram.
So she's taking out the smör.
Let's see.
We're gonna use en våg.
0.
0.
No!
Too much cake! Too much cake!
No!
14 grams.
14 grams.
Alright, I'm guessing 100. I was gonna say 102.
102 on 103. I'd say that's okay.
That's within felmarginalen.
Okay, so now we're going to melt the butter and let it cool.
Smälta smöret. Smält. Smält smör. Okay, next we're gonna crack 2 egg into this bunke. Next we're gonna take 3 deciliter socker. Then we take out en visp and we vispar. Yum yum. Fun fact, my very first video on the TheSwedishLad channel was actually a cooking video. It was something about an elephant pizza. Then we'll take 3 matskedar kakao. Cacao. And we put this into another bunke. And when you say bunke, you obviously start thinking about Bonke Innocent, a midfield player in Malmö FF. Next up, we will have 2 teskedar vaniljsocker. Nice. And then we add 1,5 deciliter vetemjöl. Then you might use a gaffel to mix these into good times. What you're looking for is a dry earth Oreo kind of color. Think dystopic 2097 in March. And then finally in this bunke, and then finally in this bunke you add en nypa salt. We will now combine the dystopic earthly mush mash into the egg mash using en slikepot. You now want to mishmash this so that the egg takes in the dirt. We will now add the smälta smöret into this coalition of chocolatey yum yum. Oh yeah. It's my #1 thing to do. And that was a Kiss reference, and I'm not talking about the band. I believe the children are future. Thank you. Teach them well. Let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Look at that. It's a smet that did not smet. We will now apply... I keep saying apply. I'm a linguist, not a lover. We will now pour the chocolate mishmash onto the already crumbly, buttered pan. Oh yeah. ASMR. We then make use of something very practical called gravity to get a clean, even surface. Comma 6 Karin is now going to bang it. Oh yeah. That's right. What just happened?
We put the kladdkaka in the ugn at 200 grader.
That is 1/4 of a Swedish song. Here's the most important part though.
Martin,
This is the moneymaker.
Martin, will you please lick my bunke?
Or the slicky butt.
Okay.
Alright, the kladdkaka is now gonna rest in the oven for 20 minuter. Svensk mjöl. What are you looking for in a kladdkaka?
Good kladdighet. That's the most important part. It has to svalna. Okay, so we're going to hope for a lot of stickiness, a lot of kladdighet.
What can you have on the kladdkaka?
You can have many different things. You can have vispgrädde. You can have some powdered icing sugar, some florsocker. We are going to have some glass flavored gammaldags vanilj.
I'm now going to take my sked. Here we go. Very good, very good. It's warm, it's kladdigt, and it's cool. Kind of like me. Stop it! Stop it!
Glad kladdkakans dag!